Hey everybody, I'm going to send a shout out to Lawn Pro. They were kind enough to send me a set of lawnmower blades for my John Deere X320 tractor, and we're going to open them today and show you the quality of them, and I'll give you my first impression of the blades. They wanted me to install them on my tractor, but quite honestly, the temperature here is in the 30s right now. Fall is kind of starting to wind down here, and it's a little bit too cold to get into that. So I did promise them in the spring that would be coming. So when we put these on in the spring, I will do another video. But let's check them out. My blades on my tractor are 20-some years old. They've been sharpened a few times, but this is going to be a real welcome to actually install new blades in the spring and really improve the quality of cut from my lawn. It's gonna, very, very well packed, and trust me, very heavy. So I just gotta cut this open and I'll slide them out and take a look at them. All right. There we are. All right, first look, they're lawnmower blades. And they're supposed to fit my John Deere X320 tractor, which I'm sure they will. And that tractor for me has been a real solid workhorse. But you take a look at these blades here and you will see what a nice finish they have on them. Beautiful black powder coat finish. And they're a lift blade, as you can see here at the end, they're a lift blade. So that will actually help scoop up the grass, send it up the chute into the bagging system. Now, I'm gonna go over them with you. There's a nice sharp edge on the blade. And blades usually don't come that way, and you can see the uplift on it. Right, and this tractor takes a set of 3 blades, and extremely well crafted. Right, there's the other edge of the blade. Real sharp angle, very, very sharp on here. So we end up here with a great set of blades. And we're taking a look here at each blade in the set, all sharp, ready to go. And here is our third blade we'll take a look at, as you can see. So all of them, very high quality. Yeah. And I'll tell you, they got a good balance to them. I'm holding them right in the middle. Yeah. And as you can see, they're not listing one way or the other. So I want to thank the people at Lawn Pro for sending these out to me. And I'm going to give these a 5-star review, there's no doubt about it. And in the spring, early spring, when I fire up the tractor again, we will do an install video for these. So thanks so much for watching, and have a great rest of your year.